Hi everyone, today I will give demo on how to use attendance management system portal. First, go to the description of this video, click on the link provided there so that it will be related to AMS login page where you need to enter your username and the given password. After entering the valid username and password, click on login. It will be related to AMS homepage where you will get your name followed by logout option. If you wish to log out from the website, you can able to log out with the help of this option. Yeah, and also here you can able to visualize various kind of options, details tab, where you can able to view the details of all your students. And here you will have multiple options like select year for which year you are going to take the classes. For example, I am going for the classes E2 second year, meaning that this is the data which you have already given through Google Sheet. And after selecting the year, you need to select for which branch you are going. I am going for the branch CSC. For some faculty, you are getting multiple options because you have given the multiple branches. Because one faculty can go for multiple branches at that time, you can able to get multiple options here. As I am going for only one branch CSC, I got only one option. After selecting the branch, it is asking for the subject. Here also you may get multiple subjects. As I'm going for only one subject, I'm having only one option, web technologies. Clicking on web technologies, then it is asking for which class you are going. For example, I am going for 2A and 2B, but right now I would like to upload the data for 2A, so that I am going to select 2A. Yes. After that, it will be loaded some kind of information. Yeah. Here you are going to get ask for the topic which you have delivered on particular day, and you have to select the date. You have to select the slot. Okay. We'll come all these once again after completion of this details page. Yeah. Go to the details tab. Yeah. Here it is going to ask for again for which year you are going and which branch you are going and the subject which you are going and the class which you want to visualize. Yeah, I have selected 2A. Here you can observe the details of students it is showing. Serial number, name, ID and web technology subject. So here it is showing that no class, no class, no class. What is the meaning of this one? Up to now, I didn't have taken any class. So as today is the only first day, I didn't enter any attendance. So that is why it is showing that no class, meaning that I didn't take any class up to now. Yeah, fine. If you wish to download, you can able to click on download option. It will be downloaded automatically. Yeah, click on download. It will be downloaded. I am opening that file. Click on yes. Yeah, you can observe guys. Yeah, so like this you will get. Yeah, fine. So this is the way you can visualize your student details. For example, I would like to go for updating the student attendance. I will go for the back. Yeah. Now I will select the year E2, branch CSC, subject web technologies, select class 2A class. So today I have taken the topic as CSS quiz through Kahoot platform. Through Kahoot platform. Yeah. Fine. On which day I have taken the class? Today only I have taken the class, and it is asking for the slot from I have taken from 10:15 to 11:15, and here you have an option called reschedule option, where for example a faculty can't able to take the class on a given time, then we can able to click on reschedule and you can able to select at what time you have taken the class. As I have taken the class on right time, I didn't select the reschedule. Yeah. Material provided? No. And quiz? Yes. Now here you need to enter the attendance. That attendance you can enter through manually or you can able to done through choose file option. Yeah. Fine. Whenever you are going to take the classes offline, you can able to use this manual attendance because it will take time consuming, because these are all the students that are attending your classes. Yeah, by default these all the students are present. If you wish to make them absent, you can unselect that. Yeah, I don't want to go for giving the attendance through manually. as I have already a downloaded file, so that I can upload that file directly. Yeah. So for that option, you can click on choose file, and you can able to select the file which you want to upload. Yeah. So this is the file that I have downloaded for my class. Yeah. So I hope you already know how to download this file. In the one of the video, I have given explanation regarding how to download this kind of CSV file. Yeah. After selecting the CSV file, you can go for the bottom of this page and you can click on submit. Yeah. It is showing that attendance submitted successfully. If you wish to go for submitting once again the attendance for some other section E2, CSC, subject web technologies, select class 2B, then you can able to submit that again and once again. So meaning that multiple times you can able to submit the attendance. Yeah. I don't want to go for that multiple time submission as I have taken only one class today according to timetable. I would like to check for whether the data is updated or not. Then I can go for click on details tab. Yeah, it is asking for once again the data. Select year E2, select branch CSC, select subject web technologies, select class. If I select 2B, here you will get a once again no class, no class, no class because I didn't take any class for 2B section. As I have uploaded the data for 2A, it is showing that yeah, fine. You can observe guys. Yeah, as I have taken one class, out of that one class, this student is attended one class. Yeah. So like this you will get the entire details of a particular student. See, observe here this student S170201 didn't attend this class. So out of one class, 0 classes are attended. 0 classes are attended. Like this system is automatically manage the attendance of a student. Yes. If you wish to download, you can click on download option. Click on open. Click on yes. Yes. Fine. It is automatically downloaded. If you wish to compare that, for example, I am trying to compare whether my data is updated correctly or not. I will open this file. Observe, this is the my downloaded data. For example, I am taking S170201. I am going to search here. As this number is not present in this one, it mark it as a absent. Okay. Fine. If you wish to go back to once again and to upload the attendance, you can click on go back and you can submit once again data. If you wish to check the details, you can go for click on details. Yeah. So this is the way you can able to upload the attendance in the AMS portal. Yeah. If you wish to log out, you can click on log out. It will be related to login page of the again AMS portal. Yeah. I hope you understood it clearly. Thank you.